This is math lesson 112. Let's start out our math lesson today by reviewing some of our number words and how we go about matching them when we have to do them on a worksheet. Miss Ellie's put up some number words on the board. Now, they're all not in order. It doesn't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are just a few I've chosen, and they're kind of mixed up. Over here, I have the numbers that they match with. So let me show you how to match your number words. You're going to look at the first, you can either do it one of two ways. You can look at the first word, and if you know that word, you can look down here and find the number that matches that word. Or if it's easier for you to look at the number on this side and then go over here and find the word that matches that, you can do it that way too. Whichever way is easiest for you. Let's look at this number word, T-W-O. We should remember that that word says 2. So we're going to go over here and find the number 2 and we're going to match it. Okay? We match the number word 2 to the number 2. This is number word 4. Is that 4? No, of course not. That's not, but there's number 4. So we match it this way. Oh my goodness, this is that crazy number word. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Goes along with the crazy number 8 up at the top. And then of course we've got one number left and one number word left. So it has to be 6. So we're going to match that to the number 6. That's how we match number words. Remember that because in a minute you're going to do that on your worksheet. Okay? Matching number words. All right. Do you remember a few days ago we talked about telling time to the half hour? We know that when the minute hand is up on the 12, it says o'clock. And we say, the first number we say is the number that the hour hand is pointing to. That's the shorthand. So this would be 3 o'clock. Do you remember what Miss Ellie told you about when the minute hand goes around and ends up on the 6? What happens? We count by 5s for each number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is 3:30. 3:30. Let's see if you can read some times on Miss Ellie's clock. What time is this? You should have said 1:30. What about this? 1 o'clock. That's right. What about this one? 7 o'clock. And if I move the minute hand down to the 6, it's 7:30. All right? How would we write 7 o'clock? All right? How would we write 7 o'clock? Y'all have been doing this for a long time, so you know. It's 7 ... 0 0. And then, if our time says 7:30, we write it like this. 7 ... 30, because that's 30. 7:30. All right. We are ready for our worksheet. I need you to take out this worksheet for lesson 112. Right? First thing you do is always the same. Take out a pencil and write your name. After your name is on the paper, this is how you do the worksheet. I will tell you the directions and then you may begin. On the first part, you are going to match the number word to the number, just like Miss Ellie just did on her board. Here are the numbers that match with these words over here. Then go over to this column and match the numbers with the number words, all right? Down here, you have a clock, several clocks, 4 clocks. Let's look at the first clock, the purple clock. The time on that clock, we're going to look at the red hand first. The hour hand is pointing to 3. The minute hand is up on the 12, so we know that says 3 o'clock. So down here in the box, you're going to write 3 ... 00. Go over to the next one. Now, don't get confused on this one. The hour hand is between the 3 and the 4, but it has not gotten to the 4 yet, so that means it's still 3. We can't say 4 until it gets to the 4 or just past the 4. So this is 3, and then our minute hand is on the 6, so it's 3:30. So we write 3 ... 30. 30. 3 ... 30. All right? You could do the last two by yourself. On section 3, this is addition. Y'all know how to do that. Try to do it as quickly as you can in your head now, okay? Hopefully by now we still don't need to use our fingers and our markers. At the bottom, you have a number word and then you have a box, okay? Watch Miss Ellie up on the board and I'm going to show you how to do this. All right? So, the first number word you have is O-N-E, and then you have a box. What I want you to do is read the number word and put the number in the box. This says number 1, so you're going to write 1 in the box. All right? That's exactly the way you do those. Read the number word, write the number that the number word tells you in the box next to it. All right? We're not going to do the back because that's going to be for our next math lesson. All right. If Mom needs to help, that's fine. Mom can help you.